Hey y'all, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm sharing my fall styled sink with you guys, but before I get started, I wanted to give you a little pan over, show you how not cute it is. I also want to preset my oven because I'm going to be popping in a pizza while I get this done. So now that I have friends on the TV, I can go ahead and clean out the kitchen sink and also the surrounding areas. What I'm using is my little DIY cleaner, I'll link above, and I also have it on my IGTV. So I have been loving this pedestal. I got this from Marshall's, and I do end up switching out one of the soaps because I didn't really care for the orange color. There's just something about orange, and I think it's the gamecock in me. So I decided to use some warm tones and go with yellow because yellow is just one of my favorite colors. I love how cheerful it is, even though it's fall and things are dying. There's just something about a golden yellow, especially with these belly buttons. All the florals I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I decided to multitask to, while I'm filming this, I'm going to go ahead and bake a pizza real quick for lunch. And just to get the house smelling even more amazing, I'm going to light this candle from Antique Candle Company. It's in their pumpkin spice scent, which is amazing, you guys. I also picked up these cute little pumpkins from Target. They're a really good price, I felt like, for ceramic pumpkins. I'll link those as well up above. So I mentioned it up in my stories yesterday. I'm going to be doing a series of fall videos. This one is the styled sink. I'll have a mantle styling as well as coffee bar. So stay tuned for those in the next couple of weeks. It finally feels like fall outside and I am all here for it. So this is just an overview of what I have. These cute little pumpkins, like I said, are from Target. My little pumpkin spice candle going, which smells even more amazing. And I decided to put it in a hurricane with some rocks at the bottom just because it gave it a little bit more, I don't know, like ambiance for some reason. And like I said, that pedestal is from Marshall's. And all of my cleaning products I get off of Grove Collaborative. This tea towel, I believe, was from Target a few years back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, stay tuned for more fall videos coming up. Thanks again for flying by, and you can catch more details over on my blog at robynssouthernnest.com. Bye, y'all.